My laptop has a small problem. The feet came off of my laptop. The feet are important because they allow the laptop to cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use self-adhesive light-duty vinyl pads. Similar products are called self-adhesive cabinet door bumpers. These products work really well as laptop feet, even though they're usually used on cabinet doors to stop the door from slamming. I'm going to open up the package and take out the pads. This is what they look like. They're 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter pads. They'll be perfect for my laptop. I'm going to take off a pad and replace the feet that are missing. This is very easy to do. It just takes a couple of seconds, and these pads are not very expensive. There's no gluing involved. Just peel them off and stick them onto the laptop where the old feet were. It's so easy to do this. The air gap helps the laptop cool because it allows cool air to get underneath the laptop, and this allows the laptop to work better. There are the pads again, and now I'm going to show you a close-up. It's so easy to do this. Stick them on and press them down. This is what the pads look like when they're installed. I'm going to flip over the computer, and you can see there's a nice air gap underneath. This computer will cool well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.